Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll look at how to format grid lines. What are grid lines? Grid lines are these lines that run in between rows and separates one row from the other, as well as the lines that separates the columns from one another are referred to as grid lines. There are times that you may want to remove the grid lines to allow your data presentation more visually appealing, to allow your data to be more readable. And how do you remove these grid lines? By default, grid lines come with Excel by default, but it can be removed. And then how do you achieve that? If you come to the View tab, the View tab of Excel, and then the Show group, you will see that we have grid lines and formula bars and headings checked. The moment you uncheck this grid line, if you uncheck the grid line, what happened? All grid lines have been removed. All right? It makes the data more readable to the eyes. All right? That does not convert the Excel spreadsheet to maybe a Word document or a text document. It is still an Excel document, only that at this point the grid lines separating the cells have been hidden from view. All right, you can see that it still remains an Excel document, but with the grid lines hidden from view. And if you want to return the grid line, all you need to do is to come back to the View tab and then check the grid lines, and then all the grid lines would return. I'll see you in the next lesson.